Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace the rear windshield wiper on a 2012 Toyota Highlander, only way. Start by lifting the wiper arm away from the glass until it locks in the raised position. Put on gloves and examine the connector to identify the release tab. Use a flat pry tool to depress the tab, slide the old blade off, and align the new blade until it begin by supporting the wiper arm so it stays raised and won't snap back onto the glass. Feel for the plastic release tab on the blade where it meets the arm and press it firmly. While holding the tab, slide the blade straight off the arm's hook with steady pressure. Set the old blade aside and check the hook for damage or debris that might affect the new blade's fit and performance. Take the replacement blade and align its connector with the wiper arm hook so the locking tab faces the correct direction. Slide the blade onto the hook until you hear a definite click that signals it's secured. Gently lower the arm back to the glass and visually confirm even contact along the blade. Finally, activate the rear washer and run one wipe cycle to ensure smooth motion and streak-free performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.